Hello everybody, I'm back again. I'm going to do a delicious fish dish. I made this once for Ross Farquharson at Donna Barnett's barbecue, and he loved it so much, it stayed in my mind. This is a great dish. And you can actually wrap all this up and you can put it on a barbecue, leave it for 20 minutes, open it up, boom, open it up, and it's incredible. It's on papillote, which obviously is a French term, and it means to wrap up in a parcel of paper. I'm using foil as well. And what it does, it steams the fish and the juices and everything you put on it. It's a bit like a one-pot dish, but it's great for a barbecue if you want to impress people or family when you present it and open it up and all those aromas come. So what I've got is a bed of samphire and baby plum tomatoes, okay? So you've got juicy, sweet tomatoes, and samphire you can get from most supermarkets nowadays. It's a sea vegetable, okay? You can eat it raw, you can cook it. Absolutely exquisite. It's a sea vegetable. I knocked up earlier by melting some butter, lemon rind, lemon juice, capers, and butter, and then letting it set, okay? So I'm going to put this on top of our fish, and as it steams, all those lovely buttery flavours with zingy lemon will go down into the onto the samphire and the tomatoes. I'm going to serve it with baby new potatoes, and I'm going to toast some pine nuts to finish off and garnish it with. I'm doing it with 2 pieces of cod loin. I've put salt on them and then put them in the fridge for about an hour so they firm up, and then I've put salt and pepper to season them. It's as easy as this. They go on top of there. Okie dokie. We then get our butter, and what we're going to do, I hope Ross and Kat are okay, by the way. I did this one. I'm doing this one especially for you, even though you put that funny video of me on Facebook. But anyway, as long as I'm putting a smile on people's faces and you're staying in and you're trying to cook, or you are cooking because you're very good already, that's brilliant. I know Daniel Kerr, I'm sure I'm not cooking the fish as good as you can because you are a top chef, remember, and do it every day. But, we're trying to do our best here, as you know, and we're doing it in kennel work with what we can get our hands on. If you can look at my recipes, don't rush out and buy any of the goods, please. Wait till you do your weekly or 2 weekly shop and then buy the ingredients, okay? I do not want to encourage anyone at the moment to go out. It can cost lives.